In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Firebase project and access your project's dashboard. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to firebase.google.com. This is the official site for Firebase, Google's platform that helps you build, improve, and grow apps. On the homepage, click either Get Started or Go to Console. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be asked to sign in with a Google account. A Gmail-backed account is required, so enter your credentials and proceed as you normally would. Once you're in the Firebase console, you'll see the projects view. Click the plus Add Project button to begin the setup flow. First, give your project a clear, recognizable name. Using your app's name is a good choice. This is a label to help you identify the project later in the console. After you've entered the name, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to configure Google Analytics for your project. Enabling analytics provides valuable insights into how users interact with your app, which features they use most, and how your app performs over time. Choose an existing Google Analytics account if you already manage one, or create a new account specifically for this project. Review the terms, accept them, and click Continue. If you're working in a shared environment, make sure you're selecting the analytics account that your team expects to use. With that set, click Create Project. Firebase will now provision the necessary resources and apply your settings. You'll see a progress indicator while this happens. It's normal for this step to take a short moment. Just hang tight until you get the success message. When the setup completes, click Continue. You'll be taken straight to your new project's dashboard. This is your central hub for everything Firebase. From here, you can connect an app by selecting the platform you're building for, iOS, Android, or web. And you can enable services like authentication for user sign-in, Firestore for a cloud database, cloud functions for backend logic, and more. The dashboard provides guided flows for each service, so when you're ready to add features, you can do so step by step with clear prompts. That's the full process. Navigate to Firebase, sign in, create a new project, configure analytics, create the project, and open your dashboard. Consider bookmarking this dashboard for quick access as you continue development. In upcoming sessions, we'll walk through adding your app and turning on the specific Firebase products that fit your needs.